I swear to God, if I see one of these stupid girl tech shorts again, like, did you call my son a poo-poo head?
Unfortunately, you did say something right to Charlie, and now he's crying about it. You
Wait.
called him a poo-poo head last match?
Or like I have Spotify on my PS5.
I got Spotify on my PS4.
That's sick, dude. How much does that cost?
Like $20.
You're rich?
Or like,
I am so done with Gorilla Tag right now.
I'm gonna freak out, bro. And if someone turns this into a sound, don't actually. Please don't. Really, please don't.